Well, here's a little hint. When you spot that signature bamboo sushi rolling mat, it can only mean one thing. It signals the arrival of Jack Chen in the DelmarvaLife kitchen, and he's talking about Chopsticks Asian Bistro and Sushi restaurant in Easton today. Welcome to DelmarvaLife kitchen.
Very good to see you.
Good to see you. You opened another restaurant.
Yes, I was just opened last Wednesday.
Uh-huh. How's it going?
So everything is pretty good so far.
So far, so good.
And the people around, they like us.
Well,
a
of
lot.
course.
Yes.
Of course. And today, you have us rolling some sushi, I assume?
Oh, yes. Today, I'm going to make two items. One is for appetizer. Mm-hmm. It's called tuna chopsticks.
Ooh.
And the other one is like sushi rolls. Mm-hmm. It's called blanc rolls.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just like flower bloom.
Okay.
All right.
Well,
Are we
what do we
ready?
do first? Yeah, we are ready.
Okay, so I think we're going to make appetizer for sushi chopstick first.
Okay.
How about that?
That sounds good.
Okay, so this is a seared tuna, pepper tuna. So we're going to cut it.
Looks like you got some nice spices on there.
Yes.
Yeah, that looks amazing.
So this is like bluefin tuna. So we use the black pepper outside and then seared it.
Black pepper and, and what else?
And Cajun.
Cajun. Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Okay, that's
you're
good
talking
now.
about
Does it have a little bit of spice to it, a little kick to it?
Yeah, so just a little bit spicy.
Okay.
It's not really a lot of spicy.
That's my
Do
favorite.
this. Okay, so we spread this. Do you like these colors?
I love, you know what, I could just grab the tuna steak there and just eat it like a handheld, you know?
All right, so now after that, so this is real crab meat.
Crab meat.
Yeah, from Maryland crab meat.
Okay. And that's what
We'll
makes
do
it
this.
Chesapeake.
Yeah, or we can use some spoon, maybe easier.
Okay.
So while you're doing that, tell us more about Chopsticks Asian Bistro.
It's a Chinese restaurant and plus the sushi. It's like dining restaurants. Also, we do the carry out and the DoorDash delivery.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
we have about like 60 seats
Oh, nice.
for the dining. Yeah, I think it's pretty good size.
Of course, then the way you turn food out, Jack, pretty soon people are going to have to call for reservations weeks in advance just to get into that one of those 60 seats.
Yeah, sometimes yeah. All right, so we have the crab meat on the
Crab,
tops.
okay.
Right, and then we're going to put some sauce over the tops.
And what kind of sauce is that?
Sauce. So this is like sweet the eel sauce.
A sweet eel sauce?
Yes.
Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Look at this.
We give them a little bit spicy.
Oh boy.
Now you're talking. Now you're talking.
And what do you, is that just a spicy sauce?
Yeah, it's just like a spicy mayos
Okay.
and put some spicy paste.
Okay.
And we have this decoration on this.
You make this look so nice.
Yeah, it's a kind of caviar.
Really?
Yeah. We call it tapico.
Tapico?
Yeah. It's some kind of fish egg.
Fish eggs.
Yeah.
Very bright fish eggs.
Yeah.
I remember going fishing with something like that.
Then,
And then we got some-
we have a little bit green
The greens. And those are what, scallions?
scallions. And we're supposed to put some Old Bay on here if you like it.
Oh.
Okay.
You see?
Okay, yeah.
Because it is Chesapeake.
Yeah, Old Bay. I think I forgot to put in the Old Bay today.
Oh,
It's
we
always
probably
an
have
option.
some around here
Yeah.
somewhere.
Take a look at that.
That is amazing.
Yeah, so this is ready.
So that means we can taste it?
Yes.
You sure you don't mind?
Chesapeake, yeah.
I mean, again, Jack, we're back to the point of it's so
Easy.
pretty, I hate to eat it, but I'll get over it.
Real fast.
Real fast.
I guess it's just put the whole thing in, right?
Yes, exactly. How was it?
That's a marvelous combination.
Very nice?
That is
It's
so
a
good.
marvelous
Thank you so much.
combination.
Has just the right amount of kick too.
Yes. I think it's very good combination with the seared tuna and the real crab meat and fish eggs. So they give you the tasters. And also, you also have a little bit spicy, right?
Okay, we got to take a break. Tell us real quick what you're going to do when we come back.
Okay, sure.
What are you going to do? What are you making?
We're going to make a roll called blanc roll.
Bonsai roll. I like the sound of that.
Yep.
Can't beat that. Culinary creativity reaching new heights in the DelmarvaLife kitchen today, treating all of our senses. And as we said before, this is almost too pretty to eat. Almost.
That's because Jack Chen is with us from Chopsticks Asian Bistro in Easton. He is in the DelmarvaLife kitchen today. And now we're getting to the sushi, right?
Yes, and we're going to use the same material now with the seared tuna to make another roll called blossom roll.
Blossom roll.
Yes.
Okay, I said bonsai earlier,
Yes.
sorry. It's blossom
Blossom.
roll.
Blossom roll, okay.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay.
Okay, let's do this. So I start with the seaweed. And I want to just say that before the camera started, Jimmy said he's going to learn how to use chopsticks.
Okay, he's
got
learned it 2-3
practice.
times already.
Thanks for bringing that out, Lisa, where everybody hears and knows now.
People like all the
held accountable.
people like all the behind-the-scenes stuff.
Yes.
So I think it's my duty
Do they really?
to let them know what you say behind the scenes.
Back to the sushi roll. Okay,
Yes.
so got the rice.
Got the rice, the sticky
Got the
rice.
rice.
And you
Yeah.
have the sushi gloves on. That's very important.
Yes, that's always needed.
You taught us about that.
So we're going to use the same material.
The
Seared tuna?
Seared tuna,
Yeah.
which has pepper.
Which have pepper and Cajun
Cajun.
peppers. This is fresh mango.
Mango.
You got my heart already.
Avocado.
You know, sushi is healthy, isn't it?
All right.
I mean, if you make it right.
We're going to roll it up. So last time Jimmy already learned how to make the spicy tuna. I could still remember.
We all remember,
Yeah, we
Jack.
tried to forget
we
that,
all
Jack,
remember.
but no luck there.
Well, that was
How long,
quick.
how long have you been doing this, Jack?
Almost 25 years.
Is that
Yeah. And this is spicy tuna.
Oh,
Spicy tuna.
Yeah, spicy tuna. It's a chopped tuna with some spicy paste. And we're going to put some crunchy on top.
Crunchy?
Yeah.
what
not
is
much.
what makes it? I mean, what is
What's
the crunchy?
the crunchy?
So crunchy basically is made from the flour.
Okay.
Flour.
Flour.
Yeah.
Crunchy.
Yeah. So flour powder, but you have to deep fry it.
I like crunchy sushi.
All
You
right.
like spicy, so this ought to be good.
This will
and
be
that's
great.
it. And,
And
wow.
we're ready. And
Are you going to put it on this plate here?
But I still have to cut it.
You got to cut it.
Blossom sushi.
You cannot eat whole piece like this.
And Jimmy's going to use chopsticks.
Yeah, 3 times. But Jimmy, how you doing? We
Whatever you say, Jack. Whatever you say.
Every time we here, we always have to ask him how your chopstick doing.
Yeah, and that is why he said he's going to start practicing.
I'm taking some
Yeah.
home today,
That's what he said.
and the next time you're here, and I whip out the chopsticks, you'll
Sure.
probably not be surprised at all.
All right, so you see this? See this? So this is a mango sauce.
Sauce it up.
I like this color, and then also I like it because mango flavors.
Very good. Very
And
good.
then we're going to put some
Is that coconut?
coconut flakes.
Wow. There's a lot of flavors coming
See.
together, and some that you wouldn't expect to be spicy tuna and coconut
Yes.
and mango.
Yes. Once you put that all together, it's coming out a very special taste.
Wow.
You see these colors?
That's I love that. Now you have this now at
Okay.
you have this now at Chopsticks Asian Bistro.
Oh yes.
In Easton.
And
In Easton, in Easton.
yes, and now it's the show time for us. Show how you're going to use your chopsticks.
All right. Now this is
That is a really, really big piece of sushi. I don't know how I'm going to eat
now
it.
these are cut in half,
It's like,
right?
They're in
It's
half.
cut in
Each
half.
one is 2 pieces.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I guess I should have paid attention.
Ladies first.
Oh.
There it is.
Always.
Yep.
All right, here goes.
All
I'm just
right.
going to shove the whole thing in.
I mean, did you just come up with this one day thinking, ooh, this would really taste good together, or is this a recipe you've had around for a while and just hadn't brought it out yet?
Yes, I have that. I have that for a while.
Yeah?
Yes.
What do you think?
Oh,
Yeah?
that is awesome.
Good stuff?
The
Do you like it?
flavors
Yeah.
How's
coming
the
out.
crunchy? How's the crunchy?
I think
Crunchy's good.
Crunchy's good.
Yeah.
You go.
All right,
for
here
it.
we go.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yep, with your chopsticks.
Okay.
See, just finger.
Oh my goodness, that is good.
It is good, isn't it?
The sweet to it, is that the mango?
Yes, and the mango and coconut flakes.
And coconut, yeah.
Yeah.
Jack Chen
And
of
then you
Chopsticks
also-
Asian
Good.
Bistro and Sushi in Easton. Where's it in Easton?
Yes, we are located across the road from the Eastern Parkway and Marlboro Avenue.
Near Target.
Yeah.
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 Near Target, yeah.
Yeah,
So the
okay.
Waterside Village Shopping Center.
Okay.
We're inside of it, yeah.
There you go.
You gotta go.
You gotta go.
It's
And
great.
work on your chopstick game.
Or your fingers.
Or your fingers.
Stick around. DelmarvaLife will be right back.
Good.
We'll still be
Okay,
eating.
thank you so much.